Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about portal settings. So there are many settings in a portal that needs to be managed and it can get quite confusing a few times, especially with the new configurations and all that. So the first setting is the basic portal editing. So this is pretty much like the same way how you would edit a WordPress site. You just go to the site and it's pretty much like a PPT out there. You add new sections, you add new columns, and you'll edit it as I will show in my walkthrough session later in this video. And the second one is portal administration. So portal administration, again, the name must be a little bit confusing, but what this deals with is, actual creation of web pages, web templates, all these other things. So this is usually used by the developers, whenever there is a lot of changes to be made in the portal and some backend changes have to be made, this portal administration is used. The third one is portal management. So this is, the real administrative settings, which will be done by the admin to configure the portal redirects, DNS, SSL certifications, etc. So guys, as you can see this, I'll try to show it to you in the live environment. So what we can do is for normal content creator settings, we can click here and click on edit, or else there is also an edit button here on the top which we can click. So I'm going to click this edit button, and as you can see, this portal will open up, and here we can make changes to the content here. So here I can change this, instead of on to show, I'll write training. And here, whenever I want to add a new page, or if I have to add a new section here, or if I'll have to add an image here, all the settings are available here. Just the way it's pretty much like a canvas, and you can put anything here. So this is for the basic content managers or content creators, without any developer experience, or without using any HTML or CSS, they can make the changes here. Now let's have a look at the other settings as well. So if I select this particular portal and if I go to the settings area here, as you can see, we have three kinds of settings: authentication settings, administration, and site settings. So authentication settings, I will talk about it in the future videos. Now let's talk about the administration and site settings. So if I go to site settings here, as you can see, we have a lot of, this is basically a model driven app that opens, and here we have page templates, website binding, content snippets, basic forms, lists, etc. So if you want to display any entities from Dynamics 365 on your portal, you create lists, which I'll talk about in the next videos. So this is the advanced settings. This is mostly used by the developers. Now let's go back again and let's talk a little about the settings. So here, as you can see, if I select this administration here, so here it will give us an option to convert this portal into a production portal. So that's what I'll do right now. I'll click on convert, because without converting this into the production, we cannot do any of this setting. So I'll just click on convert here. As you can see here, now this has been converted into a production portal. You do not see the convert button here, and this is now a production portal. As you can see, a few other options also popped up on the left, and a few of them are set up custom domains and SSL, manage SSL certifications, etc. So here, if you click here, this is where you can give the name of your personal website or any other website in such a way that if somebody visits that particular website, that person will be redirected to your portal. So this is where you give the settings, and then you can also manage, create SSL certifications, upload them here, and manage your certifications here for a smooth redirect. So this is the concept of how you configure Power Apps portals.